Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Firebase Authentication in your mobile app step by step clearly. Begin by installing the Firebase SDK for your mobile platform. For Android, add the necessary dependencies to your app's build.gradle file. For iOS, use CocoaPods to integrate Firebase Auth. Create a Firebase project in the Firebase console. Make sure to enable authentication in your project settings. Select the authentication method you'd like to use, such as email/password, Google, or Facebook. Next, download the Google Services configuration file for Android or the Google Service info.plist for iOS. Place the respective configuration file in your project's directory. Initialize Firebase in your app by adding the appropriate code in the main activity or app delegate. Set up the authentication UI by creating login forms for the chosen authentication methods. For email/password, include fields for entering the user's email and password. Implement logic to handle sign-up and login actions using Firebase Auth methods. For Google Sign-In, configure Google Sign-In options and create an instance of Google Sign-In client. Implement the Google Sign-In flow and retrieve the authentication token. For Facebook, integrate Facebook Login SDK and configure the login process. Handle the authentication result from Firebase and check if the user is signed in. If successful, redirect the user to the main application screen. For better user experience, display error messages for login failures directly in the UI. Optionally, implement user session management by checking the user's authentication state on App Start. Finally, test the authentication flows thoroughly to ensure everything works seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.